लेफ्ट 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 लेफ्ट. हाँ बराबर लेफ्ट 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 लेफ्ट.
पकड़ लिया. This is not fair, Baba. What is this?
What? What are you doing here?
What is this, Baba? We're searching you for days. We can't really wait to get started with Arduino and Witblox.
Calm down, Vijay. First tell me, have you developed all the basic projects from the Witblox app?
Yep.
Acha, are you ready with all the materials that I listed in the last video?
Yes.
Have you seen the flashback?
Flashback? What flashback?
Now go there, check out the flashback and come here really fast. Now since we all are ready with the materials, let's go to step number 1. In this step, we are going... W bole to?
Witblox.
Oh great, Vijay, quickly come have a seat. We are just getting started. I hope you remember the pinout diagram that we discussed in the last video. Let's quickly brush them up. A standard Arduino Uno has a USB port for dumping the program and a DC power connector to connect an external battery. It has 14 digital pins whose numbering starts from 0 and it goes to 13. It has 6 analog pins which start from A0 and goes up till A5. So in this step we are going to install the Arduino software in your computers. So open your computers and search for any browser that you have. I have Google Chrome. So in Google Chrome I just hit Arduino. Let's press enter. And the Google shows me the home page of Arduino. Let us click that. Now you have got so many options around the page of this Arduino home page. Over there you will find software. In software you will go to downloads and click on downloads. Arduino is omnipresent and it supports various platforms. So for there we will go for Windows installer, and I recommend always go for Windows installer, not the zip one, not the app one. Windows installer is the best. So we'll click on Windows installer, and over here they ask you for donations. If you can, go for it. If not, just hit the download button. So a prompt comes where to save that particular installer file. So save wherever you want, and now the installation has started. So we'll wait for some time, and when the download is complete, we'll go to the installation part. So when you press the install button, this is what Windows asks you. My recommendation, do yes for everything. So let's go ahead. Yes, and then the installer starts. Yes for everything. I agree and all, everything. Just yes, 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 yes. Keep moving, and the installation proceeds. So close it. And I don't think we need this browser also, so let's close that also. And voila, Arduino is here. Let's double click it and our Arduino gets started. Oh, I had a previous program, so I won't need that particular program for now. So I'll go to File and I open a new program. So normally this is the window that you are going to get when you get started. Okay. Acha, I hope all of you have this Witblox Arduino set with you. Basically it has been designed in such a way that all of your stuff remains in the same place. So let's see how to build this.
That's great, W Baba. Should I turn on this power?
Vijay, didn't I tell you not to switch on the power before verifying your circuit? Do you know how to connect the blocks to the breadboard?
No.
Obviously, because you are in flashback. Now get back to your time and learn breadboarding. Chalo, let's learn breadboarding. To make it simple, we have created a huge breadboard for you. Every breadboard has so many holes and every component has 2 or more number of pins. A breadboard is designed in such a way that we can connect different components in different patterns as per the circuit's demand. Just look at the structure of the breadboard. The central line is like a mirror. So whatever you see on the top side, the same you see as a mirror in the bottom. The differentiator here is the partition line. Remember, all the holes on the top of the partition line are internally connected horizontally. These holes are used to supply power to our components. When I say power, this means that we connect plus 5 volts and ground to these lines, and that is constant for us. We will always do the same. Next, all holes below the partition line are connected in a very strange but in a very smart way. Just pick up any hole below the partition line and count 5. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These holes are connected vertically. So you can see 5 holes below the partition line are always connected internally in a vertical fashion. This is the very zone where we connect our blocks or any component that our circuit requires. So how do we connect them? Just follow a simple rule. Every leg needs its own column. For example, if my component has 3 legs, then this means that every leg needs to have its own column. So whenever a leg is getting its own column, this means that you have connected it correctly. In one way, we can say connect the component horizontally. So all horizontal connections are correct, and if you connect them vertically, they are incorrect. So let's come back to our Arduino construction set. Since we know pin number 2 of our power is VCC and pin number 4 is ground, we connect female to male wire to both these pins. And connect their end to our breadboard's power line. Now we take male to male wires, connect their one end to breadboard's power line and other end to VCC and ground of Arduino. We will always follow a rule while connecting wires to our power line. Red will be connected to VCC, black will be connected to ground. Now after this connection, we switch on the power and see the LEDs on Arduino light up. Warning! Do not connect black to VCC and red to ground. This will destroy your Arduino. And always check your connections before switching on the power.
Hope you liked our video on breadboarding.
In our next video, we are going to learn how to make our lamp blink and create crazy projects.
The assignment for this video is to tell us why was breadboard invented and why is it called a breadboard. Our next video releases soon, so stay tuned. If you are new to Witblox, check out our Witblox app for crazy project ideas and challenges. And to get Witblox, log on to www.witblox.com, or you can also get it from amazon.in.